Here's a relatively new set of key commands that have been added to Pro Tools. They make it really convenient to deal with some of the mixer functions if you don't have a console. Let's say, for example, I want to mute the first two tracks in this session. I start by selecting any amount of area on those two tracks, and I use the Shift-M key command. Now those tracks are muted. I can hit Shift-M again and unmute them. I can also do this for the solo enable. Let's say I want to take these first four tracks and solo them. I select any area on the tracks and hit Shift-S. Now they're soloed. Shift-S again will unsolo the tracks. If I want to enable the input monitoring, I can hit Shift-I. And if I want to record enable those tracks, I just hit Shift-R. Shift-I again to take them out of input monitor, and Shift-R to take them out of record enable. An even cooler trick is to use these commands to toggle between multiple tracks. Let's say, for example, you wanted to A-B these two guitar tracks. I could select any area on the two tracks, mute one of them, and then use the Shift-M command to toggle the mute between the two tracks. When I hit Shift-M, the track that is muted becomes unmuted, and the track that is unmuted becomes muted. And Shift-M again switches back. I can also do this with solo enables. If I solo this track and then hit Shift-S, the solo will toggle between the two tracks with selections on them.